Hello guys, how are you? My name is Olbaid and I'm gonna show you how to create Psylifting Trance like a pro in 5 minutes or less. Step 1. Set the tempo to 138 or 140. And then select a kick for Psytrance, something like this. For the perk section you can add a clap, open hat and hats, something really simple. Finally, every 8 bars you can add a crash sound. And the reverse crash. Now for the bass line, we need a bass line for Psytrance, something like this. Here is the piano roll. Add more layers to make the sound fuller. Now this is a fusion of Psytrance and Uplifting Trance, so we need a squelch sound, something like this. We need more synths in the background, so I did this ARP with some high resonance settings. That's it for the Psytrance part. Now we need to add something that sounds uplifting, so we need this pad sound. To give it more flavor, I choose this acid lead and make this simple melody. Now you can add some effects just to make it more interesting, something like this. For the uplifting side of this track, I made this chord progression with strings and a piano. Using the same chord progression, I turned it into a lead melody, something like this. At last I made some improvisation using a monolith, and this is the result. Now let's put everything together and this is the final result. Okay guys, that's all for this video. All of this project was made 100% with FL Studio native plugins and samples. If you want to download this project, the link is in the description below. Just remember this song is already published, it's called Light Realm. and the project is only for educative purposes. If you want to listen the full song, I will give you the link in the description below too. So that's everything for this video. If you have any questions or comments, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to share and subscribe, give me a like if you like it. All my social media is in the description below, and see you the next time.